Hey guys, my kids and I are going to make creamy spinach skillet lasagna.
We love lasagna. We love lasagna.
I'm obsessed with this creamy spillage. Here we again. Stop! Okay, here, try it again. I'm obsessed with this creamy spinach skillet lasagna, and my kids are too. It's so delicious, creamy and cheesy, and the best part, it's only made with 5 ingredients, all in one pan. So let's get started.
Yay! Yay!
So we are gonna begin by using 14 lasagna noodles. And these are regular lasagna noodles, not the no boil. So I'm gonna count. I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
10 more to go. I want to do it too.
5.
I want to do it.
Okay.
I want to do it. 6, I want to do it. 8. Here, Bradley's turn.
9, 10.
10. And 11, 12, 13, 14.
Perfect.
14. Okay, now we're
Okay,
going to
so
break it into fourths.
Yeah, so we're gonna, let's put it right here. So we're gonna break these into 4. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh, okay, this is messy.
1,
3.
2. Ow!
So 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And that's 4 pieces for a noodle.
2. 3. Ow! Ooh, wait. Ooh, an extra.
Good way to put your kids to work. Oh my gosh, you're eating it? Okay. Not so good, no. Over at the stove here, Erin is pouring in 2.5 cups of chicken broth, along with 1.5 cups of heavy cream. He's gonna season the sauce up with some salt, garlic salt, and some pepper. And if you don't have garlic salt, you can just use salt. Since Erin had the day off today, I decided to put him to work. Plus, as you can tell with this video, he really loves this recipe. And this is just the type of lasagna that you can quickly whip up on a weeknight. There's no assembling, no baking. It's all made in one pan, which I love. Now they are adding the broken up lasagna noodles to the pan. Also, don't forget to watch until the end to see how much they enjoyed this creamy spinach lasagna. And if you enjoyed this video, all I request is that you like and subscribe. I'm gonna mix everything up and then bring it to a boil. Then I'm gonna cover it and lower the heat to medium-low. And then I'm gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 15 minutes, Erin's adding a 10-ounce package of frozen spinach that we cooked in the microwave according to package instructions. And we're gonna stir everything together until it's well combined. This is a veggie meal, but you could also add some shredded chicken if you wanna add some protein. We do tend to cook a lot of meat, but sometimes it's nice to have a meatless Monday. Now I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for another minute. All right, it is looking good and we are almost through, and now it's time to add the cheese. Off the heat, Erin is gonna stir in 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And if the mixture is looking a little dry to you, you could always add in a little milk. Honestly, the cream mixed with the Parmesan cheese just makes this sauce so good. It's just such a delicious, comforting meal. And lastly, Erin is topping our lasagna with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. After this, all we have to do is melt the cheese, and that pretty much completes our recipe. See how easy this is? A child can do it. You could either put the lid back on and cook until the cheese has melted, or you could pop it underneath the broiler and boil for a couple minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly. And we are pretty much through, and it's time to eat. Look how delicious this is. As always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below if you want to check that out.
I am so try it.
So excited to try it. All right, moment of truth.
Cheers. Cheers.
Mmm. Thumbs up. You guys, you really have to try this recipe out. I hope your kids love it as much as mine.
I want the lasagna. I want lasagna. I want lasagna. Okay, goodbye. We love lasagna. We love lasagna. Lasagna.
You love it?
Mm-hmm.
How much?
Like scale 1 to 10. Infinity.
Awesome.
It's still going. It's still going. It is still going. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? You got that? You got that?
You heard
Don't
him.
forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
You get that? What?
I make cooking videos
Okay, you're
weekly.
free. You're free.
Thanks for watching and see you guys on the next one. Say see you on the next one.
See you next one.
Take care.
Because I'm going to be at school sometime, maybe.
Oh yeah, he'll be at school.
Yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye.